In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TIDAL keeps crashing. I'm going to give you 10 steps that you can simply follow. The first thing you want to do is restart your TIDAL app, close the TIDAL completely, and then reopen it. And if it still crashes, restart your device. If that is not the case, sometimes what happens is that you might not have a stable internet connection. Try switching from a mobile data to another network. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check if there are later version of the application available. Go to App Store or Play Store and update the app. If you're on an Android device, just go to Settings, Apps and TIDAL and clear cache and restart the app, which removes temporary files. If that is not the case, make sure that your device meets TIDAL's system requirements and update your OS if needed. If you have any battery savers or power saving mode turned on, simply go ahead and turn it off and try it one more time. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and log out of your TIDAL account and try logging back in, or even reinstalling the application and check for system conflicts like VPNs or ad blockers. If none of it works, just go to support.tidal.com in order to fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.